As a motion designer, I have created different kinds of logo reveals in my career. But today, we are going to see how to create a fabric logo reveal animation in After Effects. By the way, you can get this After Effects template from my website as well as my Patreon page. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let's create a new composition. Give it a name like Main Comp. I am using full HD resolution for this composition at 60 frames per second. Next, I'm going to create one more composition and name it Logo Holder. Then, I'm going to import my PNG transparent logo into After Effects and add it to our timeline. It's quite big, so I'll scale it down a bit just like this. Then, I go back to the main composition and add our logo holder composition into our timeline. Next, I create one more composition and name it Fabric Footage. Then, I'm going to import a fabric footage video file, which you can download from the link in the description below. After importing the file, I'm adding this footage into our timeline. Then, I go back to our main composition and place our fabric footage comp just below the logo holder layer. Right now, I'll turn off the logo holder layer visibility for a moment. Then, I go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for the Curves effect, and then add it to this layer. I'll adjust the curve to increase the contrast of this footage. Now, I'll turn on the logo holder layer visibility. Right now, the logo is not being affected. So, I'm going to search for an effect called Displacement Map and add it to our logo holder layer. Let's look at the settings. First, I change the Displacement Map layer to Fabric Footage. Then, I change the source to Effects and Masks. I change the horizontal and vertical displacement to Luminance, and I change both displacement values to 30. If I scrub the timeline, you can see that right now our logo reacts according to the fabric movements. Next, I select the logo holder layer and change its blending mode to Overlay. This way, it blends with the fabric perfectly. If you can't find the blending modes, you can toggle the switches at the bottom to see the mode properties in the timeline. Let's animate this scene. First, I'm going to add a new null object into our timeline and rename this Camera Controller. Then I select all the layers and make them 3D layers. I select both composition layers and parent them to the Camera Controller layer so that we can control them from this null layer. Next, I place the time indicator at the 4-second mark and add a keyframe on the position property. Then I go back to the first frame and change the Z value in the negative direction to around -1000. So it will animate just like this. To smooth out this animation, I select both keyframes and change them to Bezier keyframes. Then I go to the graph editor and change the graph just like this to smooth out the animation. And now it's looking like a very smooth reveal. Next, I select the fabric footage layer and place the time indicator at the 4.5-second mark. I open the opacity value and add a keyframe. Then I select the logo holder layer and add keyframes on the max horizontal displacement as well as the vertical displacement properties. Then I press U on the keyboard to reveal the keyframes. I place the time indicator at 5 seconds, and then I change the max horizontal and vertical displacement values to 0. Then I change the opacity value to 0. Next, I select the first set of keyframes and easy ease them for a smooth transition. Then I add a new solid layer, name it Fade, and I'm using black for this layer. I place this layer on top of all the layers, open the opacity property and add a keyframe. Then I place the time indicator at the 1 second mark and change the opacity value to 0. This gives us a smooth fade in at the start. I select the first keyframe and easy ease it for a smooth opening. It looks very nice. Next, I select the logo holder layer and open its scale property and add a keyframe at 4 seconds. Then I go forward a bit and change the scale value to 85 to scale down this logo layer. Then I select both keyframes and easy ease them. Now it looks almost perfect. Next, if you want to change the fabric color, all you need to do is select the fabric footage layer and go to Settings. Here, change its curves, RGB colors, to change the fabric color. Or you can search for a tint effect and add it to this layer to get a black and white fabric look. At the end of the animation, if you want a white background, select all the layers and pre-compose them. Name it Animation and make sure you check the Move All Attributes icon before clicking OK. Next, I'm going to add a new solid layer for the background. Make sure you use white for this. Place it below the animation layer, and that's it. That's how you can create a fabric logo reveal animation in After Effects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.